Have you ever started something with full motivation, full energy, and a clear vision of success, but after a few days or weeks, everything slowly started to fade? In the beginning, you feel unstoppable. You make plans, you imagine your future, and you tell yourself that this time things will be different. But then something changes. Your energy drops, your focus weakens, and the same habits you wanted to escape slowly return. This cycle repeats so often that many people start believing that they are simply not disciplined enough. But the truth is, inconsistency is not a personality flaw. It is a pattern created by how your brain works. And once you understand it, you can learn to control it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is relying too much on motivation. Motivation feels powerful in the beginning because it creates excitement. It pushes you to take action quickly. But motivation is temporary. It depends on emotions, and emotions are always changing. Some days you feel energetic and ready to work, while other days you feel tired and distracted. If your system depends only on motivation, your progress will always go up and down. This is why many people start strong, but fail to continue. Another important reason for inconsistency is unrealistic expectations. When people feel motivated, they often try to change everything at once. They decide to wake up early, exercise daily, study for long hours, avoid all distractions, and completely transform their lifestyle overnight. While this sounds impressive, it usually does not last long. The brain becomes overwhelmed when too many changes happen at the same time. Instead of adapting, it starts resisting. The human brain prefers gradual change. When a task feels too difficult or too demanding, the brain tries to avoid it. This is not laziness. It is a natural response to protect energy. This is why people often quit after a few days. The system they created was too intense to maintain consistently. Clarity is another major factor. Many people fail to stay consistent because they do not clearly define their actions. Saying "I will work hard" or "I will study today" is too vague. The brain does not know when to start, what exactly to do, or how long to continue. This confusion leads to delay and procrastination. Another common problem is all or nothing thinking. People believe that if they miss one day, they have failed completely. This mindset creates unnecessary pressure. When they break their routine once, they feel guilty and lose motivation. Instead of continuing, they stop entirely. Environment also plays a powerful role in consistency. If your surroundings are full of distractions, staying consistent becomes extremely difficult. Your brain constantly reacts to what is around you. Notifications, noise, and easy access to entertainment pull your attention away from your goals. To fix consistency, the first step is to stop relying on motivation and start building systems. Systems are small, repeatable actions that you perform daily without thinking too much. For example, instead of saying, "I will work when I feel motivated," you create a system like, "I will work for 30 minutes every day at a fixed time." The second step is starting small. This is one of the most important principles. When a habit is small and easy, the brain accepts it without resistance. For example, instead of studying for 3 hours, start with 20 or 30 minutes. Once the habit becomes stable, you can slowly increase the duration. Another powerful strategy is habit stacking. This means connecting a new habit with an existing one. For example, if you already have a routine like drinking tea in the morning, you can attach a new habit like reading or planning your day right after it. This makes the new habit easier to remember and follow. Consistency also improves when you track your progress. When you see your daily efforts building up, it creates a sense of achievement. Even small progress becomes visible, which motivates the brain to continue. It is also important to change your mindset about failure. Missing one day does not destroy your progress. What matters is how quickly you return to the habit. Consistency is not about being perfect every day. It is about showing up again and again, even after breaks. Your environment should support your goals. Keep distractions away during work time. Create a space where it is easy to focus. When your environment is designed properly, your brain does not have to fight as many distractions. Another important idea is identity. Instead of focusing only on actions, focus on the type of person you want to become. For example, instead of saying, "I want to study daily," think, "I am someone who studies daily." When your actions match your identity, consistency becomes natural. Over time, repetition rewires the brain. What once felt difficult starts to feel normal. The resistance decreases, and habits become automatic. Consistency is not built in one day. It is built through small actions repeated over weeks and months. The key is not intensity, but repetition. In the end, success is not about doing something perfectly for a short time. It is about doing something consistently for a long time. And once you understand this, you stop chasing motivation and start building a system that works even when motivation is gone.